How to make the keyboard on the iPhone bigger. Have you ever had the feeling that the keyboard on which you type on your phone is small and that you either make typos or type much harder? Stay until the end of the video and find out how you can enlarge the keyboard. Okay, to enlarge the keyboard on our iPhone, we can do a few things. Open the settings on your phone. In the list of options, find Display over Brightness and tap on it. Here, find the text size option and tap on it. A slider will appear where you can increase the text size on the phone. Just choose the size that suits you, and that's it. Another thing we can also do is to go back to the previous menu and scroll through the options until we find the display zoom option. When you find it, tap on it. From the two options, choose the one on the left, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.